Hello and welcome to our first course. Tonight we are going to talk about feminine and masculine energies. Let's talk about energy and spirituality. You learn in the science section that energy is the ability to do work. Another word related to energy is power. In physics, power is measured in terms of the rate at which work is done. This rate is determined by how much energy is consumed by a certain amount of work over a given period of time. Solar power, for example, is the work that can be done by the sun's energy after it's converted into electricity. In the English language, the word power is also frequently used as described adjective. People speak of a powerful emotion, a powerful work of art, or a powerful army. These uses of the word draw on the basic idea that something is powerful when it is strong and full of energy, when it works. In this section, we briefly explore how people have related natural energy and spiritual energy, both literally and figuratively in various religious traditions of the world. We begin with the questions posed at the end of this video case. What examples in the world religion show a link between spiritual energy and the energies of nature? What are some of the inner energies that human beings experience as spiritually powerful in their lives? How are these energies related to the energies of the natural world? Do you sense any relationship between your inner human energy and the energy of the natural world?